What's up guys, I'm Akila. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little haul of like makeup supplies. Well, not just any makeup supplies, like dollar makeup supplies from an online shop called shopmissa. And if you're interested in seeing what I pick up from shopmissa, please keep on watching. My order came in this black bag like this. Like everything is very well packaged. It has bubble wrap, it has wrapping paper, it's very secure. Here's almost everything that I got, including this cute little bag that says hustle. The bag is $1. Okay, they have these little brush duos, and well, this pack is for $2, so it's $1 per brush. I got the brushes in high def brush, F10 and E110. So these are pretty much like sculpting brushes for contouring. I didn't need this brush. I have enough of them. I have like 2 of these types of contouring brushes, but this one looks like it's a little slimmer, which is something that I think I would like. But I really wanted this brush. This brush is so slim and I feel like it's perfect for nose contouring. Yeah, that's why I wanted this. I wanted this to contour my nose. I also got these brushes. These are dual fiber brushes. This is F6 and this is E106. It's not sturdy enough. I don't know. I thought it would be a little shorter, and I don't know what I would do. Maybe nose contouring. I don't know. And then this one is kind of too flimsy for me to do foundation with, so maybe to buff out like cream products. Yeah, I think it'll be good to buff out cream products. Okay, moving along. This scrubbing pad, this is $1, and I used it last night, so that's why it's not in this little package. I really love their packaging. It tells you the steps and how to use it on the back. It fits really nice on the fingers and I really like it. I needed something like this because using things like rags and stuff like that aren't sanitary. The next is these cotton puffs. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers use these little puffs again, and I've seen them use it to like press in powder. So I wanted to give them a try. The pack of 2 is $1. I can't wait to use them. This one is a sponge and it's called the Wonder Bake sponge. Let me tell you something. These sponges are $1. You gotta be careful on this site because there are some sponges that aren't as soft, so you just gotta read the reviews. But this is supposed to be a soft one, and it's shaped like a eraser, and it's supposed to be to like get into your contour and like help you apply powder. Here's another sponge. This sponge is so soft. It's so soft. This sponge is $1.55 because it's a part of like one of their special collections that helps donate money to like animal shelters. And this is probably one of the softest sponges. Like, it's probably not as soft as a beauty blender, but it's really close. For $1, you can't really tell the difference. Next is something they call a contour sponge. This is what it looks like. And it says it's designed to help you achieve a full face with just only using this. So I think I'm going to do a video on that, like a full face of only using one product. Well, just makeup and contouring I'm going to use, but eyeshadow is going to be different. So yeah, I think I'm going to give that a try. I also got these liners in these pretty shades. One's gold, one's purple, as you can see. They're metallic. Let me swatch them. Here's what they look like. They're very pretty, and they're only $1, and they have other shades on there as well. What I like about them, because I did swatch them last night, is that they're budge proof. Like, you could wash your hands with soap and they won't come off. I don't know what's in this, but I can't wait to give them a try. I'm more of like a black liner type of girl, so this will definitely add some pizzazz to your makeup looks. I got this brush right here. It's really supposed to be a nail brush, but I've been seeing videos on Instagram of girls using little small fan brushes to put highlighter underneath their brows. I don't normally put highlighter under my brows, but maybe with this I might. But yeah, it fits like perfectly. I also got this mask brush. I used it last night. It's a pretty small brush, but it has a silicone tip and it allows you to evenly put on your mask. It's more convenient than like getting the mask all over your fingers. I was using a makeup brush at one point, but this just does it so much better. And it's only $1. It was worth it. On shopmissa, I also buy supplies for my nails. This is like a little buffing block. It's sanded and I use this to do my nails. Well, yeah, that wraps up my beauty supply haul, and you should definitely go and check out shopmissa. They have a little bit of everything from phone accessories to underwear. Like, they just have everything. And they also have their own line of makeup ranging from $1 to I think like $1 to $5, and that collection is pretty nice as well. If you guys would like to see me do a full face of makeup using their products, I think I could do that for you guys, so let me know down below. That wraps up my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.